Hey, why didn't you come yesterday? Where were you?
Ma'am, I went. Ma'am, I went. No, ma'am, no. Ma'am, I did went to Mumbai.
Huh? You did went to Mumbai? Or you went to Mumbai?
Ma'am, I not know. You is understanding, no?
Yes, I am understanding that your tenses are not clear. Let me tell you a story and clear your concept of tenses. Once upon a time, there lived a great queen called Queen Tense, who ruled over the entire universe.
I am Queen Tense. I'm also known as Time. I rule over the entire universe.
She had 3 lovely daughters. The elder one, Miss Past. The middle one, Miss Present. And the youngest of all, Miss Future.
Hey, I'm Miss Past. I rule over the entire past. Let me introduce my daughter. My first daughter is Simple Past.
I am Simple Past. I help people when they talk about an action which took place at a particular time in the past. For example, Ram wrote a letter yesterday, but unfortunately, nobody helps me.
Now, let me introduce my second daughter, Past Continuous.
And I am past continuous. Like my sister, I also help people, but in a different way. I help people when they talk about an action which was going on at a particular time in the past. For example, Ram was writing a letter at 5 p.m.
My third daughter is Past Perfect.
Hey friends, I am past perfect tense. People often get confused about my usage, so listen carefully. I help you people to talk about an action which took place before another action. For instance, Ram had already written a letter before I came.
I know you all are very curious to meet my fourth daughter, Past Perfect Continuous. I am Past Perfect Continuous Tense. I'm not as useful and as popular as my sisters, but I too have my own identity. I help people when they have to talk about an action which was going on for a longer period of time somewhere in the past. For example, Ram had been writing a letter.
I am Miss Present. I rule over entire present. Just now you all met my sister, Past, and her cute daughters. It gives me great pleasure to introduce now my daughters. And do you know? They have their specified roles to play. My first daughter is Simple Present.
Everybody knows me very well. I am Simple Present Tense. I help people when they talk about their routines, their likes, dislikes, hobbies, facts, and universal truth. Hey! Do not get confused between me and my sister, Present Continuous. Oh yes, I am Present Continuous. I help you all in many ways, especially when you all talk about an action which is going on in front of your eyes. I will give an example. You are talking. And you are smiling. And we are dancing.
My third daughter is Present Perfect Tense.
Hi, I am present perfect tense. I join past with present. I help you all when you talk about an action which took place in the past. But the effect of the action is still there in present when you are talking. I'll make it clearer with an example. Ram has just written a letter.
My fourth daughter is present perfect continuous.
Hello everybody. I am present perfect continuous tense. Most of you think my sister present continuous and I have got the same work to do. We can be used one for the other. But no. I have my own identity and form. I help people when they have to talk about an action which started in the past and will also continue in the future when we are speaking. Let's take a live example. You have been watching this play for 5 minutes. Another example. Ram has been writing a letter since the play started.
Hi! I am Miss Future. I'm the youngest of all. I rule over entire future. Now let me introduce my family. I too have 4 pretty daughters. My first daughter is Simple Future.
Yes, Mother.
Hello, I'm Simple Future. I help you all when you talk about an action which yet to take place. Example, Ram will write a letter. My second daughter is Future Continuous.
I am future continuous. I help you all when you talk about an action which will be going on in the future. For an example, Ram will be writing a letter when Sita arrives.
Hey friends, now let me introduce my third daughter. My third daughter is Future Perfect. Hello. I am Future Perfect Tense. I help to express the idea that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. Example, Ram will have written a letter. And my fourth daughter is Future Perfect Continuous Tense.
Yes, as my mother told you, I am Future Perfect Continuous Tense. You all hardly know me, but I have my own existence. I assist you all to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in future. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday are all the durations which I use with me.
The royal cousin sisters are always happy and cheerful. They always enjoy playing with each other. They have a very enchanting power to change themselves into interrogative and negative. But of these royal cousins, there were 2 unlucky cousins who did not have this power to change themselves into interrogative and negative. So they were always sad and lonely.
Oh, my little daughters, what happened? Come, sit down. Why are you crying so much? Please let me know. I will surely give you a solution.
Oh dear Grandma, you are so kind and loving. All our cousin sisters are laughing at us and teasing us.
Oh, really? My poor children. But why? Why are they teasing and laughing at you? Tell me the reason. Why?
Because we are not able to change ourselves into interrogative and negative like our cousins.
Oh, my poor little kids. My darling daughters, I will surely help you. Listen to me carefully. Both of you go and seek help from verbs. They live nearby. I'm sure they will help you.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you very much.
Come, I'll show you the way to the verbs.
I'm running, jumping, singing, that's because I am a verb. I'm hopping, dancing, raining, that's because I am a verb. I'm coming, going, hitting, throwing, humming, rowing, sitting, blowing, riding, hiding, gliding, sliding, because I'm a verb. I'm a verb, verb, verb. I'm an action word, so put me where the action is, 'cause I'm an action word. Sometimes I use a helping verb to help me make a phrase. I can use these helping verbs in many different ways. Like will you go and should we stay and may I throw and does he play and have you seen it, did he eat it, can we have some more? I'm a verb, verb, verb. I'm an action word, so put me where the action is, 'cause I'm an action word. Sometimes when I am doing something it is in my head. The action isn't physical, it's in my mind instead. Like thinking, feeling, hoping, dreaming, looking, resting, moping, scheming, estimating, calculating, and relating to. I'm a verb, verb, verb. I'm an action word, so put me where the action is, 'cause I'm an action word. Sometimes I am a linking verb, a link between two words. Like shall be, will be, should be, would be, can be, and could be. Linking verbs are commonly the forms of the verb be. Like was and were, is and are, and being and be. I'm a verb, verb, verb. I'm an action word, so put me where the action is, 'cause I'm an action word.
Yes, girls, what can I do for you? Our grandma, Queen Tense, has guided us to you. We are very sad and want your help. We can't change ourselves into interrogative and negative. Can you please help us out? Oh God, I am very busy dancing these days. I can't help you out. Sorry, go away. Please don't waste my time. Go away. Please help us. Please.
What happened, dear? Why are you shouting?
These two girls, they want my help. But as you know, I am very busy dancing these days. I can't help them. If you can help them, go and talk to them.
Oh, sweet little girls. Wait, I know. What's your problem? But I can't help you. I'm very sorry. I'm also very busy preparing myself for the major tournaments. But my sister, Miss Singh, might help. I will go and ask her.
Ma'am, can you please help us? We are in bad need of your help. Please help us out.
Yes, my sister's pages told me about you and your problem. But I am very much occupied practicing with my sister's dance for a grand performance. For a grand performance. I'm sorry I won't be able to help you out.
My dear sister, it seems all the verbs are too busy to help us. I think we have to live like this. Let's go.
What a pleasant day today. I am feeling very sleepy. Let me sleep for a while.
Sister, look, there's one more verb. She will surely help us. Let's go and seek her help.
She is fast asleep. I don't think she would help us.
Dear, don't lose your hope. I feel she'll be good enough to help us.
I have lost all my hope. But as you are insisting, let's try one last time.
Excuse me, will you please help us? We need your help.
Who are you? I'm very busy sleeping. Please go away. Let's go. Nobody is ready to help us.
Hey, wait! Can you hear me? Wait!
Did you hear someone calling?
Yes.
What are you here for? I'm verb do. And you?
I am simple past and she is my sister, simple present.
Anyway, why are you looking so sad and unhappy?
Oh Abdu, we are very sad because we are not able to change ourselves into interrogative and negative like our cousins.
Our sisters always laugh at us and tease us because we can't change ourselves into interrogative and negative.
So sad. But don't worry, I will help you to do so.
Thank you very much.
I'm ready to help you, but on two conditions.
Okay, but shall we get the power to change ourselves into interrogative and negative?
Of course.
What are your two conditions?
Listen carefully. The first condition is I must be first whenever you change yourselves into interrogative.
How? Can you explain us?
Okay. Both of you say something.
She plays.
And she played.
Now just place me in front and write. You will surely be changed into interrogative.
Do she plays?
Do she played?
Ha! We could change ourselves into interrogative.
But what is your second condition?
Please don't misunderstand me. I am verb do and I am very professional. I don't help anyone without taking any charge.
But at present, we don't have anything to give you.
Don't worry. Right now just whatever you have, give me.
I just have S form with me. Please take it.
And I have past form with me. Please take it.
Thus, verb do received S and ES forms from simple present and past form from simple past and became does for simple present and did for simple past.
Thanks a lot, little girls. Now you can change even into negative using me anytime. Both of you try one by one.
She plays. Does she play? She does not play.
She played. Did she play? She did not play. Yay!
Yay! We can change ourselves into interrogative and negative.
Now you know tenses or you not know?
Ma'am, now I do know the concept of tenses.
Now, did you realize, children, how easy and interesting these tenses are? If you learn anything in a different way, you will not only enjoy, but you will also understand even difficult topics like tenses.